Hi, I'm Ken Dorr, a vegan chef and a nutritional educator from Kale University. I'm excited to announce our February retreat in 2019. I'll be pairing up with the Sane Living Center in Ojai, California to facilitate an 8-day workshop. There will also be an option to attend a 5-day or a 3-day for those that can't stay longer for the 8-day. The theme of the retreat is Food is Delicious Medicine. Here are a few of the topics that we'll be covering: salad dressings, superfoods, healing herbs and spices, smoothies, powerful teas, how to stop cravings and addictions, and also powerful liver cleansing foods. We'll also lay out some of the most powerful foods to allow the body to heal itself from illnesses that Western medicine has not yet discovered. There will be time for massages, hikes, relaxation, and other meditative practices as well. We also will have a special guest, Byron Katie. We're so excited. She will teach one of the evening workshops, and during that evening, everyone will be able to attend, whether you're on the 5-day, the 3-day, or the 8-day optional retreat. The Sane Living Center is a wonderful community-based facility dedicated to health and wellness. The dates of the retreat are February 14th, that's Valentine's Day, through the 21st. To book the retreat and learn more, you can go to kendorr.com or Kale University and click on the 2019 retreats. I'm so excited to share this time in February with you. Since it's during Valentine's Day weekend, I can't think of a more loving and healthy way to treat ourselves. I hope to see you soon. Ciao.